Important top-notch traits part 1. I really believe that if you want to top the boards, you have to have this trait. And it is, tada! Self-confidence. Confidence not in a sense na magiging boastful ka or arrogant na marami ka nang naaral or marami ka nang nadaanan during the review mo. But self-confidence in a sense na you believe in yourself na kahit anong hirap pa ng lesson na yan or ng topic na yan, na kaya mo siya. Kumbaga, alam mo sa sarili mo, nagagawa at gagawa ka ng paraan para maaral yung concept na yun kahit ang hirap pa. It is important to have self-confidence because it helps you be motivated and helps you keep track of your goal. Ang hirap naman, di ba, kung gusto mong mag-top or pumasa pero wala kang self-confidence na magagawa mo yun. What I suggest and what I did during the boards was, I know it's funny, but I always looked at the mirror every morning and said to myself na magtatap ka or magtatap ka. Kumbaga,